Welcome to your stylish wardrobe essentials checklist. Whether you're putting together a classic ensemble or adding a modern twist, these items are key for a versatile and chic wardrobe. Tops. White button-down shirts. Perfect for a professional or casual look. Cashmere sweater. Luxuriously cozy for colder days. Striped top. Effortlessly chic and versatile. Silk button-down shirts. Elegant and sophisticated. Cardigan. Great for layering and adding warmth. White tee. A versatile basic for various outfits. Jackets and outerwear. Black blazer. Polished and versatile for both work and events. Leather jacket. Edgy and stylish. Wool coat. Timeless and warm for colder seasons. Trench coat. Classic and elegant, great for rain. Bottoms. Black tapered pants. For modern style and versatile wear. Straight leg denim. A staple for casual and dressier looks. Silk dress. Graceful and suitable for various occasions. Accessories. Gold pendant and gold hoops. Elegant jewelry to enhance any outfit. Silk scarf. A versatile accessory for adding flair. Leather tote. Stylish and practical for carrying essentials. Leather crossbody. Compact and convenient for on the go. Ballet flats. Comfortable and chic for everyday wear. Booties. Versatile and trendy. Kitten heels. Subtle lift, perfect for dressier outfits. Sneakers. Casual and comfortable, great for an active lifestyle. Remember, these pieces can be mixed and matched to create a wide range of outfits that suit your personal style. Enjoy curating your wardrobe with these timeless essentials.